My husband and I have been going to Sturgis for about 4 years now, and this last trip, it was enough. I just couldn't take it anymore. After 9 days, I couldn't even lift my legs, so it was time to have something done. Dr. Lammli, when they did x-rays, he explained how my knees were, with bone on bone. He gave me choices, what I could do, but I decided that it was time for total knee. The day of my surgery, I went in early in the morning. I was home by probably 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The whole experience was very good. I can't complain. The nurses at the hospital, everybody was just so caring and everything. I chose Faith, before going to Omaha or Lincoln, because why would I travel that far when I've got a good doctor in Norfolk? I would recommend Dr. Lammli and Faith Regional anytime. They couldn't be any better. My name is Bev. I'm from Humphrey, Nebraska, and I had 2 knee replacements at Faith Regional.